Good morning and welcome to your Biological Sciences course for this fall semester. I am Professor Febres. Purpose of this navigation video is to guide you through the course. Make sure that you guys know where things are. First thing you need to do is go to your syllabus. On the syllabus, there is everything you need to know pretty much about the course. I mean, the assignments, quizzes, exams, etc. Let's wait for it to open so that I can guide you through it really quick. My computer is working a little bit slow this morning. But the first thing is please pay attention to the textbook. The textbook for this course is the Modified Master in Biology. The core is the third edition, and what you will need for this course is the access code. The access code has the e-text electronic book, and then it has activities that will help you deepen your knowledge, and they are part of the grade for the course. So do make sure that you get the access code. The ISBN is actually shown in there. There's the course description, etc., etc. One thing I want to bring to your attention is the no-show deadline policy. September 1st, that means that, excuse me, you should shoot me an email by this date. This actually acknowledges that you read and understood all the policies and all the rules and deadlines, etc., from the syllabus. Take a look at the withdrawal policy. The deadline is October 30th, although I don't expect anyone to have to use that. This is an easy, straightforward course. If you stay on top of things, you do your readings, submit your quizzes and exams on time, you should be fine. I mean, and you can get a very good grade. Excuse me. Grading and makeup policy. Make sure you are aware of all the work you'll be doing for the semester on this course. 7 quizzes, 13 classwork activities, 5 discussion forums, and there are 4 exams. And then the final exam, which is comprehensive. Make sure you understand that for the quizzes, you have a week, pretty much the window, excuse me, for doing a quiz. It opens on Sunday and it closes on Saturday. And what I recommend you do is, if you can print the quiz. You can actually go to the e-text. You can actually make sure that you look for the information that will help you answer the comprehensive questions. These questions are science questions, so they are not straightforward questions, but you may have to put 2 and 2 together to make sure that you get the answer. For the exams, it's a little bit different. The idea is that you study like if you were studying for a face-to-face exam, because the time is limited. It has a total of 50 comprehensive questions about the, and then on the syllabus, if you go to the schedule, and I'll show you in a few seconds here, it will actually tell you what it is going to be on the exam. You see here down on the schedule, it tells you, for example, we go here, exam number 1. You need to make sure that you have read chapter 1 and chapter 2, basically all the way to to section 213. So you study all of that, and once you click that exam open, you have 90 minutes to answer all 50 questions. After those 90 minutes, the exam will close and it will be automatically submitted. So while you may have the time to look to the answers to few questions, or collaborate to get the answer to few questions, you may not, or you will not have the time to look for the answers to all questions. Therefore, you need to study in order to perform well on the exam, like if you were studying for a face-to-face exam. Other than that, basically, do pay attention. The final exam, it says proctor, and it's not proctor. That is the way it used to be before the pandemic, but it will be online. I forgot to edit that. Just keep that in mind. Other than that, guys, like I say, pretty straightforward course. There's a lot of fun information. I would throw in there a little bit of information as your biology teacher about the coronavirus and the pandemic. Sometime when it is appropriate for your knowledge, it will not be anything that it will be actually tested. But I think as your biology professor, it is a good idea for you to have information about this virus that we're dealing with worldwide. If you guys have any questions or concerns, just like I mentioned on my welcome video, shoot me an email. That would be the best way to communicate with me. And you should hear with me within 24 hours. Give me about 24 hours, although usually you hear from me within an hour or two. Um, I think that's it. And once again, welcome to Biological Sciences. And let's have a great semester. Thank you.